Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to give this holographic look to any object in Premiere Pro. So let's get on with it. Okay guys, now in Premiere Pro I've got the object I want to work on, and it's the Deadpool icon. And why not Deadpool and Wolverine? It's basically everywhere and I just love it. Now the first thing I will do is go to effects and type down Lumetri color. So I'm gonna grab the Lumetri color effect and drop it over to the image layer. Then I'll go to the effects control panel, and from there I'm going to find the lumetri color, and under color wheels and match I will open the properties, scroll down and find the wheels, and from here I'm going to play around with the midtones. So I'm going to drag it all over to the top where is the red section. Then I'm going to go down to shadows and drag it all the way to the blue section. And then I'll do the same with the highlights. In my case, these colors works. In your case, it might be a different colors. This depends entirely from the colors of your image. So play around until you find the right balance for your object. Now, once we finish here, I'm gonna go back to effects, and this time I'm gonna type down wave warp. I'll drag the wave warp and drop it again onto the image layer. One more time, I'll go to the effects control panel. From here, I'm gonna go on the wave warp, and the first thing I will do is to change the wave type from sine to smooth noise. And this is very important, so make sure you do this first. Then from wave weight, I'm gonna increase it to 43, and the wave width I'm gonna decrease it to 13. Again, play around with these properties and find the perfect values for you. In this case, these values are working for me. Now, when we've done with it, I'm gonna go up to opacity and decrease the opacity to 53. And as you can see, it looks a little bit better. Now, to give these glowy effects over the eyes, I'll go back to effects and type down VR glow. So I'm gonna grab the VR glow effect and again drop it over to the image layer. And straight away you can see the difference. So I'm gonna go down, and from glow brightness I can increase it a little bit so it can be a bit brighter, and it looks amazing. So let me play it and see what we have done. Wow, it looks amazing. And just like that guys, you can give this holographic look to any object in Premiere Pro. If you did find this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.